Think about your last visit to a library. From borrowing a book to returning it, every step involves multiple roles interacting with the system: librarians, members, and even automated processes. Now imagine mapping all of that interaction into a clean visual format that clearly shows who does what and when. That's exactly what a UML collaboration diagram helps you achieve. Used widely in system design, collaboration diagrams, also called communication diagrams, are a type of interaction diagram in the unified modeling language. They show the dynamic behavior between objects in a system, especially how they collaborate to accomplish a task. This makes them ideal for visualizing workflows in complex systems, such as a library management system. In this video, let's walk through how to create a clean and professional-looking collaboration diagram for a library system using EdrawMax. To begin, head over to EdrawMax's homepage and click on New Blank Drawing. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with. Next, type UML Communication Diagram into the search bar. This will load a set of ready-to-use shapes, including actors, objects, and message arrows. Simply drag and drop these onto your canvas to start building the diagram. Start by labeling the key objects involved in the system. For our library case, we'll use librarian, member, library system, and perhaps even components like the database or card validator. Place them in a way that feels logical and uncluttered. Now, it's time to show the interaction. Use directional arrows to connect these objects. Each arrow represents a message flow, like submitting a library card, validating that card, searching the database, and issuing a book. Be sure to label these messages to reflect the real sequence of operations. A quick tip here: number your message arrows in the order they occur. This not only helps in understanding the process, but also aligns with UML standards for sequence identification. Once the framework is laid out, it's time to add some polish. Use colors to differentiate between system roles. For example, keep the librarian and member objects in neutral tones while using a standout color for the system blocks. You can also adjust the arrow styles, make them dashed or bold depending on the type of interaction. Finally, review the layout. Make sure everything is aligned neatly, that text is readable, and the flow is easy to follow at a glance. Once satisfied, go to File Export, choose PNG format, and save your diagram in high quality. This format is perfect for sharing in reports, presentations, or system documentation. And there you have it, a complete collaboration diagram for a library management system, built from scratch in just a few clicks. If you're working on IT architecture, business workflows, or any process involving multiple entities, collaboration diagrams like this are an essential tool in your visual communication toolbox. EdrawMax makes the process intuitive, efficient, and visually appealing. No advanced design skills required. Visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping your system interactions today with EdrawMax.